In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive tasks in ClickUp. Archiving is a simple way to keep your workspace clean without deleting anything. Think of it like putting finished or paused work into storage so your active views stay focused. You can still find those tasks anytime, quickly, and in fewer clicks, using ClickUp's powerful search and filters. Start on your ClickUp overview page within your workspace. From here, look to the top center of your screen and click the search button. This opens ClickUp's universal search panel. It can look a bit busy at first, and that's normal. There's a lot of useful information packed into this area. Inside the search panel, look to the left side for a small upside-down triangle icon. This is the filter control. Filters help you narrow results fast, so you can focus only on what you need. Go ahead and click that triangle to open the filter dropdown. When the filter menu appears, find the option labeled Archived. This is the key to surfacing tasks that you've archived across your workspace. Click Archived to apply it. The results will refresh, and now you'll be looking only at archived tasks. This is perfect for auditing what's been completed, revisiting old notes, or restoring something you moved out of active view. You'll likely see a small indicator that shows your filter is active, such as a tag that says One Filter. Click that indicator if you want to review exactly which filter is applied. It's a quick way to confirm that you're looking at archived items and nothing else. From here, you can scan through the list, open any task to review details, and keep your active spaces clutter-free. A quick note on archiving versus deleting. Archiving hides the task from everyday views, but keeps all the data intact, so you can reference it later. Deleting removes it entirely, which is rarely what you want for work you may need to revisit. If you ever need an archived task back in circulation, you can unarchive it from the task's options, and it will return to your active views. That's it. That's how you quickly check your archived tasks in ClickUp using the search filter. It's a small habit that saves a lot of time and helps you stay organized. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more quick, practical ClickUp tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.